turning to the occupied Palestinian territory, the UN Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs today warned that the very means of people's survival are being dismantled. This includes an onslaught on healthcare, emergency services, and humanitarian access, alongside relentless attacks that kill and maim civilians by the hour. And you will have seen that the director of the World Health Organization, Dr. Tedros, said that Kamal Adwan Hospital of North Gaza is now out of service. He said that this follows the raid, forced patient and staff evacuation, and the detention of the facility's director on Friday. And yesterday, several of our agencies, including OCHA, WHO, the World Food Program, as well as partners like the Palestine Red Crescent Society, delivered basic medical and hygiene supplies, food and water to critical patients, caregivers, and staff who were evacuated from the hospital, from Kamal Adwan Hospital, that is now non-functional. And our colleagues also tell us that 10 patients were evacuated from the hospital, 4 of whom were arrested by Israeli forces at the checkpoint leaving the area. 7 patients, along with 15 caregivers and health workers, remain at the facility, which is severely damaged and has no ability now to provide medical care. The team reported also that the hospital has no water, electricity, or sanitation. And yesterday's mission to North Gaza was exceptional because most of our attempts, over 150 attempts since October, have been denied by the Israeli authorities. Even the few that were initially agreed have faced heavy impediments, as we've been reporting. Between Friday and Sunday, 3 of our 4 attempts to access the area were denied by the Israeli authorities, and only this one was let through but faced impediments. OCHA emphasized that it should not require breaking a siege to help survivors in critical need. Aid workers must be granted safe and unhindered access to assist people wherever they are. Armed looting also continues in the area. 2 incidents recorded over the past 3 days in southern Gaza have affected dozens of truckloads of supplies and further exposed drivers to serious risks. And meanwhile, fighting and Israeli restrictions on commercial and other imports also persist, and these continue to paralyze the humanitarian operation at times when families urgently need food, shelter, clothing, especially as the winter is hitting them hard.